Welcome to Wellness Beat Hub, where we uncover the truth about healthy aging and empower your journey toward lasting vitality. For decades, doctors have told seniors that walking is the gold standard for health. But is it really enough today? While walking is excellent for your heart, recent studies show it fails to trigger the necessary signals for muscle growth. Many seniors walk daily, yet still suffer from sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass that leads to frailty. Walking is a low-impact activity, which means it does not provide enough mechanical stress to stimulate new bone density. Without strong muscles to support your joints, excessive walking can actually accelerate wear on your knees and your lower spine. Furthermore, walking is a repetitive motion that does not challenge your balance or coordination, leaving you vulnerable to sudden falls. We need to rethink our approach to senior fitness by incorporating movements that build strength, stability, and true functional independence. Today, we present 5 scientifically proven alternatives that offer benefits far superior to walking alone for the aging human body. These exercises are designed to be safe, effective, and easily performed in the comfort of your own home every day. Let us begin with wall push-ups, a fundamental movement that targets upper body strength without the strain of floor push-ups. This exercise is crucial because walking neglects your upper body, leaving your arms and chest weak as you get older. Stand at arm's length from the wall, place your palms flat, and ensure your feet are planted firmly on the floor. Slowly lower your chest toward the wall, engaging your core muscles to keep your body as straight as a plank. Inhale as you lower yourself, and exhale forcefully as you push back to the starting position using your chest muscles. This movement strengthens the pectorals, shoulders, and triceps, which are essential for pushing open heavy doors or lifting objects. Avoid arching your lower back, as this reduces the effectiveness of the exercise and can cause unnecessary strain on your spine. Aim for 3 sets of 10 repetitions, focusing on control rather than speed to maximize the benefits for your muscles. Strong pushing muscles directly translate to daily activities, making tasks like grocery shopping or cleaning much easier and safer for you. Mastering the wall push-up builds a foundation of upper body strength that walking simply cannot provide for your aging body. Next, we move to the chair squat, often called the king of exercises for maintaining independence in your later years. While walking uses your legs, it does not require the deep knee flexion needed to stand up from a seated position. This exercise specifically targets the quadriceps and glutes, the powerhouse muscles responsible for your ability to walk and climb stairs. Begin by standing in front of a chair, then slowly lower your hips as if you are about to sit down. Lightly touch the chair with your glutes, but do not relax. Immediately drive through your heels to return to standing. Keep your weight in your heels, not your toes, to protect your knees and ensure the correct muscles are working. The inability to rise from a chair is a leading cause of nursing home admissions, making this exercise absolutely vital. If you are just starting, you can use the armrests for support until your leg strength improves enough to go hands-free. Squats also provide vertical loading on your skeleton, which is the most effective way to combat osteoporosis in the hips. Breathe deeply and maintain a steady rhythm, ensuring your knees stay aligned with your toes and do not collapse inward. Perform 10 to 15 repetitions daily to build a reservoir of leg strength that will serve you for years to come. With strong legs from squatting, you unlock the freedom to travel, climb stairs, and explore the world without physical limitations. Our third exercise is single leg stands, a deceptively simple movement that acts as a powerful predictor of longevity. Research indicates that the ability to stand on one leg for 10 seconds is linked to significantly higher survival rates. Stand near a sturdy counter for safety, then lift one foot off the ground, balancing your weight on the other leg. This micro movement forces your ankle and foot muscles to work overtime, strengthening the foundation that prevents trips and falls. Balancing is a cognitive task as much as a physical one, training your brain to communicate faster with your muscles. Try to let go of the support for 10 seconds, focusing your eyes on a fixed point to help stabilize yourself. Always switch legs to ensure symmetry, as having one side significantly weaker than the other can affect your walking gait. Walking on flat pavement does not train this stability, which is why active balance practice is essential for uneven terrain. You can easily integrate this into your routine by practicing while brushing your teeth or washing dishes at the sink. Once you master the basics, try closing your eyes to remove visual cues, forcing your proprioceptive system to work harder. Reducing your risk of falling is the single most important investment you can make to preserve your longevity and health. By conquering gravity on one leg, you are actively rewiring your brain to prevent falls and maintain your autonomy. Now we address posture with resistance band rows, a critical exercise for counteracting the hunched back associated with aging. As we age, gravity pulls us forward, leading to a rounded upper back that compresses the lungs and organs. Sit tall on a chair and loop a resistance band around a secure anchor point at roughly your chest height. Hold the handles with your arms extended, keeping your shoulders down and away from your ears to avoid neck tension. Pull the band back towards your ribs, imagining you are squeezing a pencil between your shoulder blades as you pull. This action strengthens the upper back muscles that are responsible for pulling your shoulders back and keeping your spine upright. Control the release slowly. Do not let the band snap your arms forward, as the eccentric phase builds strength too. Consistent rowing trains your body to naturally hold a better posture, which improves your breathing capacity and reduces neck pain. Aim for 12 to 15 repetitions, choosing a band color that offers enough resistance to challenge you by the end. A strong back protects your spine during daily tasks, allowing you to lift grandchildren or groceries without risking a herniated disc. Walking does absolutely nothing for your back muscles, making this simple resistance exercise a non-negotiable part of your weekly routine. Finally, we introduce Tai Chi, often described as medication in motion and the ultimate exercise for the aging nervous system. Unlike walking, Tai Chi involves complex, multi-directional movements that challenge your brain to coordinate with your body in real time. This practice has been proven to restructure neural networks, significantly improving cognitive function and reducing the risk of dementia. The slow, deliberate weight shifting trains your body to control its center of gravity with incredible precision and awareness. Studies have shown that regular Tai Chi practice can reduce the risk of falling by nearly 50% in seniors. It also lowers stress hormones like cortisol, which promotes better sleep and reduces inflammation throughout your entire body. The gentle nature of Tai Chi means it is safe for those with arthritis, providing joint lubrication without high impact. Joining a local class adds a social element, combating loneliness, which is another major risk factor for health in aging. By combining these 5 elements, you create a comprehensive shield against aging that walking alone simply cannot provide you. You do not need to stop walking. Simply add these exercises to your weekly routine to fill the missing gaps. Imagine a future where you are not just surviving, but thriving, capable of playing with grandchildren and living on your terms. If you found this information life-changing, please subscribe to our channel and share this video with someone you care about. Thank you for watching Wellness Beat Hub. Remember, age is just a number when you have the right strategy. Hydration is also key. After every session, ensure you drink plenty of water to help your muscles recover and grow. Pair these exercises with a protein-rich diet to maximize the benefits and keep your energy levels high all day. Rest is when the magic happens. Quality sleep allows your body to repair tissues and consolidate the gains from exercise. Always consult your physician before starting any new exercise regimen to ensure it is safe for your specific health conditions. Like a river that keeps flowing, your body needs constant movement to stay clear, fresh, and full of vibrant life. Mental fitness goes hand in hand with physical fitness. Keep learning and challenging your mind as you strengthen your body. Flexibility is another pillar of health. Gentle stretching can complement these strength exercises and prevent stiffness in your joints. Walking is still a wonderful way to clear your mind and get fresh air. Just don't rely on it exclusively. Social connections are vital. Exercise with a friend to stay motivated and turn your workout into a fun, social event. Invest in good footwear. Proper shoes provide the stability you need for both walking and these standing strength exercises. Every new day is an opportunity to improve. It is never too late to start building a stronger, healthier body. Track your progress. Writing down your repetitions can be incredibly motivating and helps you see how far you have come. Regular exercise helps regulate blood pressure. You might find your numbers improving significantly after a few weeks of this routine. Fuel your workouts with natural energy. A piece of fruit before exercising can give you the boost you need. Deep breathing oxygenates your blood. Practice conscious breathing during all these exercises to maximize their effectiveness and calm your mind. Never skip the warm-up. A few minutes of joint rotations prepare your body and reduce the risk of injury significantly. Cooling down is just as important. It helps your heart rate return to normal and prevents muscle soreness the next day. Reward yourself after a workout. A moment of relaxation helps reinforce the positive habit loop in your brain. You may not be 20 anymore, but you can still possess strength and vitality that rivals people half your age. Functional fitness means you can keep doing what you love, like gardening, without back pain or fatigue stopping you. Balance and coordination from these exercises will even improve your dancing, bringing more joy and rhythm into your life. Upper body strength allows you to care for your beloved pets, lifting and holding them with ease and confidence. Building muscle boosts your metabolism. You might find it easier to manage your weight when you add resistance training. As your posture improves, your clothes will fit better, boosting your self-esteem and making you feel proud of your appearance. Walking on sand requires effort. Your new leg strength will make beach vacations enjoyable rather than an exhausting struggle. Nature trails await you. Don't let weak legs keep you confined to the pavement when the wilderness is calling. Fine motor skills also benefit from overall better circulation and nerve health promoted by a holistic exercise routine. Standing in the kitchen to cook healthy meals becomes less tiring when your legs and core are strong and stable. Strength gives you the capacity to be helpful to others, reinforcing your sense of purpose and community connection. A strong body houses a peaceful mind. Physical discipline often leads to greater mental clarity and emotional stability. Love the body you are in. Treat it with respect through exercise, and it will serve you well for decades. Maintaining dexterity is crucial. While we focus on big muscles, don't forget to keep your hands and fingers active. Grip strength is another longevity indicator. Your wall push-ups and rows will help you maintain a firm, strong grip. Cycling is another great low-impact option. It pairs perfectly with the strength exercises we have discussed today. Swimming offers resistance without joint stress. Consider it as another alternative to mix into your weekly fitness routine. Vitamin D from sunlight is essential for bone health. Combine your outdoor time with these exercises for a double benefit. Calcium intake matters. Ensure your diet supports your bone-building efforts to get the maximum protection against osteoporosis. Your health affects your whole family. By staying strong, you relieve them of worry and can enjoy quality time together. Stay curious. Just as you train your body, train your mind to adapt to new technologies and changes. Laughter is good medicine. It releases endorphins and reduces stress, complementing your physical wellness journey perfectly. On rainy days, when you cannot walk outside, these indoor exercises ensure you never have to miss a workout session. Housework counts as movement, but remember, it is not a substitute for structured strength training exercises like squats. Make small choices daily. Take the stairs instead of the elevator whenever possible to keep your legs challenged. Park further away at the store. Those extra steps add up, but remember to do your squats when you get home. Stand while talking on the phone. It breaks up sedentary time and engages your core muscles without you thinking about it. Start before you even get up. A few stretches in bed can wake up your muscles and improve circulation. Nutrition is the fuel for your engine. No amount of exercise can fully outwork a poor diet, so choose wisely. Limit sugar intake. Excess sugar leads to inflammation, which can make joint pain worse and hinder your recovery. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish are great for joint health. Consider adding them to your diet for better mobility. Supplements can help fill gaps, but whole foods should always be your primary source of vitamins and minerals. Consistency is key. It is better to do a little bit every day than to do a lot once a month. There will be days you don't feel like it. Push through those moments, for that is when the real change happens. Listen to your body. Sharp pain is a warning sign, but muscle fatigue is a sign that you are getting stronger. Modify when needed. There is no shame in adjusting an exercise to fit your current ability level and safety needs. Accountability partners work wonders. Find someone who shares your goals and check in with each other regularly. Join online communities. Places like Wellness Beat Hub are here to support you with information and encouragement. Knowledge is power. The more you understand how your body works, the better you can take care of it. Share what you learn. Teaching others is a fantastic way to reinforce your own knowledge and commitment to health. Set specific goals. Whether it is 10 push-ups or standing on one leg for a minute, targets keep you focused. Celebrate small wins. Every repetition and every healthy meal is a victory worth acknowledging on your journey. Do not compare yourself to others. Your journey is unique, and progress should be measured against your own past self. Be patient. Muscle growth and balance improvements take time, but the results are absolutely worth the dedicated effort. Fresh air is invigorating. Try to do some of your exercises outside to benefit from nature's healing environment. Electrolytes help muscle function. Natural sources like coconut water can be great for hydration after a sweaty session. Nuts and seeds are excellent snacks. They provide healthy fats and protein to support your active lifestyle. Moderation with alcohol is wise. Excessive drinking can dehydrate you and impair the balance you are working so hard to build. If you smoke, stopping is the best thing you can do. Your lungs need capacity to fuel your muscles. Check your equipment. Worn-out shoes can cause misalignment, so replace them when they lose their support and cushioning. Keep your workout space safe. Remove tripping hazards like rugs or cords before you start your daily routine. Lighting matters. Ensure your exercise area is well lit so you can see clearly and maintain your balance easily. Music can motivate you. Create a playlist of your favorite upbeat songs to make exercise feel like a celebration. Use a mirror. Watching your form helps you correct mistakes instantly and ensures you are getting the most benefit. Note how you feel. Tracking your energy levels helps you understand the positive impact exercise is having on your life. Spread the word. If you know someone who only walks, send them this video to help them upgrade their health. Let's briefly recap. Wall push-ups, chair squats, single leg stands, resistance rows, and Tai Chi are your new toolkit. Commit to yourself today. You deserve to live a life full of strength, independence, and boundless energy. Your best years can still be ahead of you. It is not about fighting aging, but about aging with power. We are honored to be part of your wellness journey. Thank you for trusting us with your time and attention. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss our future health guides. Leave a comment below. Tell us which of these 5 exercises you are most excited to try this week. This has been a production of Wellness Beat Hub, dedicated to helping you beat the odds and live well. Stay strong, stay active, and keep moving forward. We will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.